Solids, liquids, and gases are all around us. But have you ever stopped to think about what really makes them different? The answer has to do with tiny things you can't even see. Particles. Everything in the universe is made of particles. These are teeny tiny bits of matter, and the way they move decides what state something is in. If the particles are packed tightly together and barely move, you've got a solid. If they move around more and slide past each other, that's a liquid. And if they move fast and spread out in every direction, you're looking at a gas. Let's break it down. A solid keeps its shape. A pencil, a book, or an ice cube are all solids. The particles are locked in place, and that's why they don't change shape or flow. They also have a set volume, which means they take up the same amount of space all the time. A liquid has a definite volume too, but not a definite shape. That means it can change shape to fit the container it's in. Water, milk, and juice are all liquids. You can pour them, but they still take up the same amount of space, no matter what they're in. Now, a gas is very different. Gases have no fixed shape and no fixed volume. The particles are super spread out and move quickly. Air, helium, and steam are examples of gases. A gas will expand to fill up whatever space it's in, even if that space is huge. So when you look at something, how do you know what state it's in? Here's your writing challenge. You're going to write a paragraph explaining one state of matter: solid, liquid, or gas. You get to choose which one. In your paragraph, explain what makes this state of matter different from the others. Use science terms like particles, shape, volume, and properties. Give at least 2 real-world examples. Describe how the particles behave in that state. This isn't a story or a list. It's an explanation. Think like a scientist, write like a teacher.